Hey y'all, what's up? It's Rocky P and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show y'all how I turned my hair from this to this very cute flat twist and two strand twist protective style. Let's get to it. So just to mention, I am starting off on clean washed hair. It is a little stretched because I tried to do one style, it didn't come out right, so then I tried this one. So I am going to be starting with parted hair. I like to part my hair in 4 sections, and that means just having 2 in the back and 2 at the front. So first, I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and make a very clean part for my bangs section. This is going to be the 2 sections, or a part of the 2 sections that I'm going to be flat twisting in the front. So I'm just going to take the front of that bang and clip it out of the way. So again, taking my rat tail comb, I'm gonna make my first flat twist on the side of my head. I use rat tail comb just because I feel like it gives me the cleanest parts, the neatest parts, like very professional looking parts. So I'm just gonna make my first section and twist the other out of the way. I'm just gonna respritz with some water just to make it a little bit more pliable. And now taking my one product, yes y'all, only one product, I'm gonna take my Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. This styling cream completely caught me off guard the first time that I used it. But first, let me tell y'all what I do. So I just take about a dime size amount and add that to my hair, detangle it with my wide tooth comb. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of their Rosemary Mint strengthening edge gel to lay down the front of my edges, and I'm just using a toothbrush to brush it in. Then I'm just going to begin flat twisting my hair. I got like 3 videos on flat twisting. We should all know how to flat twist by now. If not, just watch carefully. You can kind of get the gist of it. Now back to the styling cream. This cream caught me off guard, y'all. It gives so much hold, so much shine, so much slip. At first I thought it wasn't going to be, because the texture of it, I thought it wasn't going to really give my hair any type of hold, but it completely did. It was a nice firm hold, perfect for any type of lasting style. So after I do that first flat twist, now I'm just going to make a section to do my second one, just repeating the exact same steps. Parting out my section with a rat tail comb, spraying it with water just to make it a little bit more movable, working it through, and then just taking some of the styling cream and adding it to it, flat twisting, and then 2 strand twisting that flat twist. This cream is perfect if you're doing any type of long-term style. It gives tons of hold, shine, lasting shine, and although my hair had a little crunch to it, I like that. I like when my hair can have some crunch because that means I know that my style is gonna last. So this did have a little crunch, but it wasn't in any type of drying effect. This is the only product that I use to flat twist my hair. That's it. Just this one product. So I'm just gonna make 2 more flat twists on the first side of my head, and I really just made the flat twist to frame my face. Now this edge gel, I will say I feel like it works best on stretched hair, straight hair. It definitely laid my edges down, I will say that, but it didn't last as long as other products that I've used before, and it's actually worked better when my hair has been blow dried or just in a stretched state. So I like the results that it did give me, but I don't foresee me using it when my hair is in a curly state. It just doesn't work as well. So I have one more flat twist to do in the front here, and there we go. We got the first side all flat twisted and 2 strand twisted down. So now I'm just going to work on the other side. Oh, look, there we have it. It's already done too. So now I have my flat twist to frame my face. And after that, I'm just going to regular two strand twist the rest of my hair. I work in sections, so I'm just going to work my way from the back to the front. Doing the same steps, spraying it with water just to make it more movable, to lock in the styling cream, and then just adding the styling cream on top. That's it. Just two strand twist the rest of your hair. So now I'm gonna stop talking and just gonna let y'all enjoy me doing my hair. I will stop back in and say that when you make your twists, you kind of want to make them small if you plan on wearing this style for longer than just a week. I made them small because I feel like smaller twists just last longer. So if you notice, I'm trying to keep all of my twists the same small size. All right, we've made it back to the front. And now I'm just going to complete that last twist, add some more of the edge control and lay down my edges. And then I'm just going to wrap my hair with a scarf. Y'all don't see that, but I do that. After that, I'm just going to add some jewels to the front of my hair just to frame my face and give my hair and style a little bit more razzle dazzle. Super cute, not childish at all. Don't come for me because I really like the way that these look. And there you have it, a very cute, a very simple, and a new flip twist on a protective style. You know, we got the two strand twist and we have the flat twist. So this style can last me 2 to 3 weeks. I did wear this style for 2 weeks and then untwisted my hair, and I had so much definition from the styling cream, so I definitely would recommend it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below. If you have any questions about the products that I use, they will be in the description box. And of course, if you are not, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And that's all that I have for y'all today. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.